Hello students, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to revise chapter number 2 polynomials. Here I am discussing important questions related to exam. First question is find the zeros of quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 2 and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. In this question, first we find the zeros of polynomial 3x square minus 2 as alpha and beta, and then we will verify alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a and alpha into beta equal to c upon a. This relationship we have to verify in this question. Second question, quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has zeros as alpha and beta. Now form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. In this question again we have to find the zeros of this polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1 by splitting middle term method, and we will get the value of alpha and beta, and then we will calculate the value of 3 alpha and 3 beta by multiplying 3 with alpha and beta. After getting 3 alpha and 3 beta value, you will find the new quadratic polynomial using formula px equal to k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta in bracket multiply x plus alpha into beta. By putting the value of 3 alpha and 3 beta as sum of zeros and product of zeros, you will get the new quadratic polynomial. Question number 3, if product of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, find the value of a and find the sum of zeros of the polynomial. In this question, first we see the polynomial x square minus cx minus 6 and product of zeros. It means alpha into beta is 4. It means c upon a is equal to 4. Then we have to find the value of a. But if you find value, put the value of c is minus 6 and upon a is equal to 4, you will solve this equation and you will get the value of a. Sorry. Now after this, find the value. We will put again the value of a in this polynomial, and we will find the sum of zeros like alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. When you put the value of b and a, you will get the sum of zeros. Next question, if alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial x square plus 6x plus 9, then form a polynomial whose zeros are minus alpha and minus beta. In this polynomial also we will solve this x square plus 6x 9 by splitting middle term, and we will get the value of alpha and beta. Then we will find the minus alpha and minus beta by just changing the sign of alpha and beta, and then we will find the new polynomial by using the polynomial formula px equal to k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta in bracket into x plus alpha beta. When you put the value of alpha beta here, you will get the new polynomial. After this, the next question is fifth question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. These are the zeros. So alpha, the value of alpha is 3 plus root 2 and value of beta is 3 minus root 2. So first we will find the alpha plus beta. When you add these two numbers, you will get root 2 cancel because this one is positive, one is negative. Then alpha plus beta will be the 6. And when you multiply this using identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b, you will get 3 square minus root 2 square. And when you solve this, you will get 9 minus 2 is 7. So when you get the alpha plus beta and alpha beta as a number, and you will again use the formula px equal to k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, and when you put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this formula, you will get the new polynomial. So next question is, if 1 is 0 of polynomial px equal to ax square minus 3 bracket a minus 1, then find the value of a. So 1 is a 0 is given. It means we can put here the value of x as a 1 and we can make it equal to 0. So we put the value of x here and we get equals to 0. Then you will solve this equation and you will get the value of a. Okay. Now next question is 7. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are root 2 and root 3 respectively. It means we have given sum. Read this question very carefully, because sometimes students think that this is alpha and beta are given. In this question, alpha beta is not given. In this question, sum is given as root 2 and product is given as 3. So directly we can use the formula, again same formula, px equal to k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. On the place of alpha plus beta, we will directly put the value of root 2, and on the place of alpha beta you will directly put the value of 3. Then you will get the desired quadratic polynomial. So most of questions here you can understand that we have to make the new polynomial by using the same formula, by getting the values of alpha and beta. Next is if 1 0 of the polynomial is again given a square. This here is a square plus 9x square a square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other. It means 1 0 means alpha is reciprocal of beta. It means beta is, if 1 0 is alpha, then other 0 is 1 upon alpha. So find the value of a. Here we have to find the value of a. So first we multiply alpha into beta, then you will alpha and 1 upon alpha cancel out and you will get 1. It means c upon a is equal to 1. It means c equal to a. We will put the value of a and c here, and you will get the value of a here. Next question, find the polynomial whose zeros are 2 and minus 3. Zeros means alpha is given 2 and beta is given minus 3. So again you will find the sum alpha plus beta and alpha into beta product, and you will use the same formula of making the polynomial. Last question, find the zeros of polynomial px equal to root 2x square plus 3x plus 2 root 2. In this question we have to use splitting middle term method, and you will find the zeros, and it means you will find the value of alpha and value of beta. So these 10 questions are very much important questions of chapter number 2 polynomials in class 10th, and we have to do practice very well, and you will get the good marks. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel for the next videos.